Chhattisgarh, India's hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of India, this state is often overlooked by travelers, yet it holds some of the most breathtaking and unspoiled landscapes in the country. India is a land of diverse landscapes. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the dense tropical forests of the south, the country offers a myriad of natural wonders. From the Himalayas to the tropics, it has it all. Each region has its own unique charm and beauty, drawing visitors from all over the world. But hidden within its heart lies a state less traveled, Chhattisgarh. This lesser-known gem is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness waiting to be discovered. This state offers a unique blend of tribal culture and natural wonders. The indigenous tribes of Chhattisgarh have preserved their traditions and way of life for centuries, offering a glimpse into a world that is both ancient and vibrant. Chhattisgarh is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. With its vast forests, rolling hills, and pristine rivers, it provides endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Known as India's Rice Bowl, it is covered in lush forests, rolling hills, and stunning waterfalls. The state's fertile land and abundant water resources make it a vital agricultural hub. It is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The state's numerous wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Chhattisgarh has something to offer. From trekking and river rafting to simply enjoying the serene landscapes, there is something for everyone. Its beauty lies in its untouched landscapes, making it the perfect destination for travelers seeking to escape the ordinary. The state's remote and serene sceneries provide a perfect backdrop for a peaceful retreat. This essay will guide you through some of the most breathtaking scenic places in Chhattisgarh. From the majestic Chitrakote Falls to the tranquil Bastar region, each location offers a unique experience. Discover why it should be your next travel destination. The state's rich cultural heritage, combined with its natural beauty, makes it a must-visit for any traveler. Come, let us explore the heart of India. Let us embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of Chhattisgarh, a state that promises to enchant and inspire. Let us lose ourselves in the serenity of Chhattisgarh. As we wander through its peaceful natural scenes, we will find a sense of tranquility and wonder that is truly unparalleled. Barnawapara Wildlife Sanctuary is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Nestled in the heart of Chhattisgarh, this sanctuary offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich biodiversity. It's a place where nature lovers can truly connect with the wild. It is located in the Mahasamund district of Chhattisgarh, a region known for its lush landscapes and vibrant culture. The sanctuary spans an area of approximately 245 square kilometers, providing ample space for wildlife to thrive. The sanctuary is renowned for its diverse ecosystem and is home to a wide variety of animals. From dense forests to open grasslands, Barnawapara offers a range of habitats that support a rich array of flora and fauna. Tigers, leopards, and sloth bears roam freely within its boundaries. These majestic creatures are often spotted by visitors, making every safari an exciting adventure. The sanctuary also provides a safe haven for many other species, including deer, wild boars, and monkeys. The sanctuary is also a birdwatcher's paradise, where you can spot over 200 species of birds. From vibrant kingfishers to majestic eagles, the avian diversity here is truly remarkable. Birdwatchers can spend hours observing these feathered wonders in their natural habitat. The best time to visit Barnawapara is during the winter months, from October to March. During this period, the weather is cool and comfortable, making it ideal for exploring the sanctuary. The winter season also brings a unique charm to the landscape, with misty mornings and clear skies. The weather is pleasant, making it ideal for wildlife viewing. Tourists can enjoy long walks, jeep safaris, and even picnics amidst the serene surroundings. The cool breeze and the sound of rustling leaves add to the overall experience. Explore the sanctuary on a jeep safari and witness the beauty of nature unfold before your eyes. The guided tours offer insights into the local wildlife and the efforts being made to conserve this precious ecosystem. It's an adventure that promises both excitement and education. Listen to the calls of the wild. The sanctuary is alive with the sounds of nature, from the chirping of birds to the distant roar of a tiger. These sounds create a symphony that is both thrilling and soothing, reminding us of the untamed beauty of the natural world. Immerse yourself in the captivating beauty of Barnawapara. The panoramic views, the vibrant wildlife, and the tranquil atmosphere make it a perfect destination for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're an avid wildlife enthusiast or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, Barnawapara has something to offer for everyone. Chhattisgarh is home to one of India's most spectacular waterfalls, Chitrakote Falls. This natural wonder is a hidden gem in the heart of India, drawing visitors from all over the country and beyond. Located on the Indravati River, Chitrakote is often referred to as the Niagara Falls of India. This comparison is not without reason. The sheer scale and grandeur of Chitrakote Falls are reminiscent of the world-famous Niagara Falls. The waterfall plunges from a height of 95 feet, creating a thunderous roar and a mesmerizing spectacle. The sound of the water crashing down is both powerful and soothing, a symphony of nature that captivates all who visit. The best time to witness the full glory of Chitrakote Falls is during the monsoon season, from July to September. During these months, the waterfall is at its most magnificent, with the increased water flow creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring sight. During this time, the waterfall swells up, creating a breathtaking cascade. The sheer volume of water and the force with which it descends is a sight to behold, leaving visitors in awe of nature's raw power. The surrounding greenery adds to the beauty. The lush vegetation that frames the falls enhances the overall experience, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers and photographers alike. You can enjoy a boat ride to the base of the falls and feel the spray of the water on your face. This unique perspective allows you to get up close and personal with the waterfall, offering an unforgettable experience. Capture the memory of this awe-inspiring natural wonder. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just someone looking to take a few snapshots, Chitrakote Falls provides endless opportunities for stunning photos that you'll cherish forever. As the day comes to an end, the sunset view of Chitrakote Falls is nothing short of magical. The golden hues reflecting off the water create a serene and picturesque scene, perfect for ending your visit on a high note. The area around Chitrakote Falls is also rich in local culture and traditions. Visitors can enjoy traditional dance and music performances, adding another layer of depth to their experience. And if you stay until nightfall, you'll be treated to a spectacular view of the illuminated waterfall under the night sky. The lights add a mystical quality to the falls, making it a sight to remember. As you leave Chitrakote Falls, you'll carry with you not just photos, but memories of a place where nature's beauty and power come together in perfect harmony. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Kanga Valley National Park is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Located in the Bastar region, the park is known for its unique limestone caves. These caves have intricate formations of stalactites and stalagmites. Among the most famous caves in the park is the Kailash Cave, which is home to a stalagmite formation that resembles Lord Shiva. Another notable cave is the Kutumsar Cave, believed to be one of the longest caves in the world. Kanga Valley National Park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including tigers, leopards, and wild dogs. The park is a must-visit for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. Section 5. Akanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary. Akanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary is a hidden gem located in the Bilaspur district of Chhattisgarh. This sanctuary is a paradise for bird watchers and wildlife enthusiasts. It is home to over 150 species of birds, including the endangered Indian flying squirrel. Akanakmar also boasts a significant population of tigers, leopards, and wild dogs. The sanctuary's dense forests provide ample opportunities for wildlife sightings. You can explore the sanctuary on foot or by jeep safari. For a truly immersive experience, spend a night at the Eco Lodge located within the sanctuary. Wake up to the sounds of the forest. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 6. The cascading splendor of Tirathgarh Falls. Nestled amidst the verdant forest of Kanga Valley National Park, Tirathgarh Falls is a sight to behold. This enchanting waterfall cascades down a series of 7 steps, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's beauty. The falls are named after the nearby Tirathgarh temple, a popular pilgrimage site. The best time to visit Tirathgarh Falls is during the monsoon season, from July to September. when the waterfall is at its full glory. Take a dip in the cool waters of the pool formed at the base of the falls and feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Tirathgarh Falls is a perfect place to connect with nature. Section 7. Planning your Chhattisgarh adventure. Chhattisgarh is well connected by air, rail and road. The nearest airport is Swami Vivekananda Airport in Raipur, the state capital. From there, you can easily hire taxis or take buses to reach your desired destinations. The best time to visit Chhattisgarh is during the winter months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. However, the monsoon season, from July to September, offers a different charm. Experience the waterfalls in their full glory. Accommodation options in Chhattisgarh range from budget-friendly guest houses to luxury resorts. You can find accommodation that suits your preferences and budget. Section 8. Share your thoughts. Chhattisgarh, with its unspoiled beauty and serene landscapes, is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. This is just a glimpse of the many scenic wonders this hidden gem of India has to offer. Which of these breathtaking locations would you like to explore further? Let us know in the comments below. We are always eager to hear from our readers and share more captivating stories from around the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more inspiring journeys. Section 9. Thank you. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the captivating landscapes of Chhattisgarh. We hope this essay has inspired you to add this hidden gem to your travel bucket list. Until next time, keep exploring.